Hi, Michael Gaffney here in my first collab. I'm collabing with the Dollar Tree soap department. Want to know how to make a great design? Watch me. You're going to buy some flowers from the Dollar Tree. You're going to buy line flowers, ones that stick straight up in the air. You're going to buy mass flowers, lots of them at the end of the stem. And then you're going to buy some hangers. This combination will get you there. Watch carefully. I have schools around the country, and Paris, London, and Rome. Join us for class. Start with your line flowers. Play with them a little bit. Separate them. Open them up. There's your artistic part of your job. And then I'm going to add some line flowers. A little blue. These are all $1. Well, actually $1.25 a stem, as you know, if you're a Dollar Tree shopper. But I didn't even take the tags off. I ain't got time. That's right so far. Now, another line. Stick some lines in there. Now I'm going to start with my hangers. Some pretty yellow, almost like yellow forsythia. I think it's supposed to be. Sometimes you buy silk flowers, you're not sure. Oh, there's another line flower. So I'm going to switch hands, work from the other side, put some yellow hangers on this side, like that. I'm doing a one-side design. Now I'm going to start with the hangers all around. Hang, hang, hang. All around. This old design has taken me about 60 seconds. So I was walking past the Dollar Tree store and I thought, I wonder if I should do a collaboration with the Dollar Tree. And you are seeing it right here. I found a few more flowers laying around, some line flowers. I'm going to add those right in the front. Drop it into my vase, and here comes the artistic part. You're going to play with it. You're going to open it up. I'm doing that sort of trendy, split design. So all of this is from the Dollar Tree. And there it is. Flower School 101, join us in class. Classes all over the country. My students do spectacular work. You want to see the difference between design and fantastic design, watch their videos on Flower School 101. Mind-blowing. And they've only been training with me for a week. 24 classes in a week. So anyway, Flower School 101. Yay! And stop and visit your Dollar Tree. Ciao. Keep blooming.